quality plus price equals value. It's a simple formula. When you're considering an Argentina bird hunting outfitter, understand that not all are equal in value. If you go at the cheapest price, you'll give up quality somewhere. So if you like to shoot and don't care about accommodations and food, talk to the guys who offer the most birds. If you want a blowout trip, regardless of the price tag, go for the high-priced guys. But if you want the best value in Argentina bird hunting, choose SYC Sporting Outfitters. We provide first-class shooting, fine dining, and luxury accommodations, all at an affordable price.